What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And today, sadly, is day 4, the final day of Cruisin Ocean City 2026. It's a little overcast today, but it's really not that cold, so we're gonna have a good day. I'm gonna go over to the convention center today, and we're gonna film there. And you guys know how we do it. Every video we do a giveaway. In this episode, we're going to be giving away another Bangin Gears baseball cap like the one I'm wearing. To be eligible, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube. And that puts you in the running to win the hat. Once you're subscribed on YouTube, make sure you like and comment on all the videos I put out this week, and that puts you in a running to win the other swag, and gives you more opportunities to win. Don't forget, we also have the Facebook group, Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook. It's a public group, no questions. Anybody can join. So post up your pictures when you're down here or what you're doing during car show season. Flyers, parts for sale. Anything you want, as long as it's automotive related. To make it easier, you should have got a postcard in your goodie bag with some QR codes. Scan those cards with your cell phone. Get you right over to the social media pages, make it easier. We also do Vehicle of the Month on the Facebook group. So don't forget, every month, look for that thread where we do Vehicle of the Month, post your car up. Vehicle with the most likes becomes the profile picture of the Facebook group. So I'm in bumper-to-bumper traffic, as you can see behind me. So I'm gonna start paying attention to the road. Drive home safe, and we'll catch you right back here in the fall at Endless Summer Cruising. Peace out.